Josh, and today I will be doing an unboxing video with my Parrot drone. I picked this baby up at TJ Maxx. I didn't even know that they had it there. Cost me around 80 bucks. So today I will be going places and I will be unboxing this video. Nina, no me acompañe, por favor. So right now I'm moving to a new place like that. I could do my video on my drone. My little sister got a drone. Didn't work out really well. So we're gonna get you another one tomorrow, okay? Okay, so I'm opening my drone. Oh crap. Got myself a Parrot drone, a jumping sumo. I am unboxing it. Says right there, wait, oh crap. Well, it says right here, it says Parrot jumping sumo. It is 20 minutes. It goes up to 4.5 miles per hour. It jumps 80 centimeters. Live video streaming and recording with micro USB key. I did see that. Well, I think I did. I don't know. It has Wi-Fi. You connect it with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or just Wi-Fi. You control it with the smartphone. So let's get right into this baby. It has a jump system. Has stickers like that you can put on it, like the ones for the drones, not those regular everyday stickers. No, I'm kidding. I don't know if it is. So it's a Parrot, and then what you need is Free Flight 3. Like that, you could do it. You could download it on the App Store, on Baidu or something like that. Android app, on the Android. So what we're going to do is open this baby up. Smoke Gouda cheese. And then the first thing that we see here is our mechanism, our delay of our good nice little buddy. We also got ourselves some stickers that they put here for us.
How well, you're going to take it off, or how many times?
Crap. So we have ourselves right here some stickers, the ones that you see on the front page that they put on it. So we're going to take our baby out. Looks kind of neat. I'm actually pretty impressed on what this product does. It's pretty cute. Pretty neat. It is a sticker. I will not be putting that on because, you know, I don't want to break it or something. So I'll be putting you right here, Mr. Sticker, that my sister took out. And what else? We got our drone right here. And then inside the box, not touch, we got ourselves some stuff. We got ourselves instructions. I will not be reading that. We got ourselves, we also got a charging cable, like one of those for the Galaxy stuff. And we're going to take our thing, oh crap. We're going to take our thingy out. Put the box over there. Then we got ourselves the, oh crap. We got ourselves the Parrot rechargeable battery. We got ourselves two little thingamajiggies, which you put there on the bottom of the thing, which I will be putting later. It's this little thing. I'll show you where to put it and how to put it. It's a pretty good thing. I wonder why they scavenged the other drones and not this little guy. Crap. Oh, I hate instructions. I hate them so much. Even though it is what they tell you to do. instructions. And I am not going to cut and edit this, because I'm not going to pause and like start filming, because that'll take a pretty long time to figure out. So no. So 1, put on your chargeable battery. Now where's number 3? They only have 1, 2. Okay, I don't care. So we will be move that out of the way, my little sister. Gotta figure out where to put this. Gonna figure out. Replacements boosters. They're little replacement boosters that you put right here, even though you already got one right here. So if this breaks, you just like take it apart. Like, oh crap, I don't care about that. Well, can't take it out right now. I'm trying to. There you go. Popped off, nice and clean. And then what you see, this is actually very important, because this is actually like a protector for the bottom of your jumping sumo. So when the sumo jumps and then it falls back down, it's going to land on this part back here, which is the booster, and it's going to land back on its booster. Then you're going to put this right here, and then this is what's going to be here to break its fall, kind of like a little pedal. Myself and my thing right here, my grandma's right there. Yay! And then we're just going to put it right here, and then you just like shove it up here. You just shove this. Excuse me very much. Okay. Hola, te puedes ir, que no te quiero que quedes aquí. Okay, so what you're gonna do is like, you're gonna just put this here. Pero es que, abuela, gracias por el coso, solo que like, es que like, quiero hacer mi vida, cosas así. So you're just gonna put it back here. Then you're just gonna press hard and then you just put it back there. Just gonna put it here. Sí sirve. And then you're just gonna shove this. That's what she said. No, I'm kidding. And then you're gonna shove this here, right here. Oh, there's something right here that you have. Give me my battery. That you have right here. Oh, crap. Sorry, just can't figure out where this thing you put. Oh, right here. You just shove it in right here.
El permiso yo se la dejé acá.
Y no la cogió para nada. Ahí está, vale, ahí está. Bien, podemos hablar.
Por eso yo le dije.
Okay.
You're just gonna
250.
take this thingy out.
Aquí está, nadie está
If you want to, I prefer to take it out. And then you're just gonna take it out
Hermano, el plástico, amor.
right here, and then you just, all you have to do is,
Un vasito para dejar soda Celsa.
Ahí está.
Ya.
Ya, yo quiero todo ordenadito.
so, okay. Excuse me. I'm just gonna shove that there.
Papi,
Then you just got yourself a jumping
Yeah.
sumo.
mira.
Pretty nice material. It
Mama.
turns on, lights and
Papi.
everything. And then you just pop this little thingy out, and then you take it out. And maybe later on in the future, I will do a little test drive when I get my stuff back. Oh crap! And you just take it out, and then Thank you guys for watching my video, and see you.